The best sweeteners for a keto diet, a guide to keto sweeteners. This post may contain affiliate links to products we believe in, which means that even though it doesn't cost you anything extra, the keto queens will receive a small amount of money from the sale of these items. Also, please know that nutritional information is provided as a courtesy calculated from the Nutrition Plugin API and we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Keto sweeteners. What is the best sweetener for a keto diet? Sweeteners are a hot topic in the keto community. Many diabetic foods and sweets have artificial sweeteners in them that actually have an effect on your blood sugar and insulin. So the question is, what sweeteners can you use on a keto diet? Keto sweeteners. When first transitioning from a standard America diet (SAD) to a low-carb or keto diet, one thing people miss most are baked goods. They're like an American tradition. At every birthday party you have either cake or cupcakes. Bake sales are super common for fundraisers at schools, and there you'll find a plethora of brownies, cookies, cakes, pies, everything that could potentially spike your glucose through the roof. Go to grandma's house and you'll find a cookie jar full of 15 different kind of cookies. It's hard. So, one way to make transitioning to a keto diet easier is finding low-carb versions of your favorite baked goods. But to do that you need to find what sugar substitutes and sugar replacements you can use on a keto diet. Not all keto sweeteners are created equal. Following are sugar alcohols that have an effect on your blood sugar and insulin that should be avoided while on a keto diet: sorbitol, isomalt, lactitol, xylitol, maltitol, polyglycitol. What is sorbitol? Sorbitol is a sugar alcohol that is naturally found in fruits, but most of it is manufactured from corn syrup. It can also act as a laxative. Sorbitol is about 60% as sweet as table sugar, sucrose. Sorbitol has approximately 2.5 kcal per gram. What is isomalt? Isomalt is a mixture of two sugar alcohols. It is produced from sucrose. It has a glycemic index of 9. Isomalt can cause GI distress and possible diarrhea. Isomalt has approximately 2 kcal per gram. What is lactitol? Lactitol is a sugar alcohol that is approximately 40% as sweet as sugar. It is composed of galactose and sorbitol. It can also act as a laxative. What is maltitol? Maltitol is a sugar alcohol that is naturally found in some fruits and vegetables. Maltitol is about 90% as sweet as sugar. Maltitol has approximately 2.7 kcal per gram. What is polyglycitol? Polyglycitol is a sugar alcohol that is about 25 to 50% as sweet as sugar. Polyglycitol is a combination of maltitol and sorbitol. They have approximately 2.8 kcal per gram. These sugar alcohols should be avoided on a keto diet. Some of these may also cause some GI distress like bloat, cramping and diarrhea. Natural sweeteners that should be avoided, or used in extreme moderation, on a keto diet. Keto-approved sweeteners. Natural sweeteners that have no, minimal effect on glucose. Stevia has a bitter aftertaste at first. Allulose may cause GI distress. Monkfruit. Most sugar-like sweetener in my opinion. Sugar alcohols that have no, minimal effect on blood sugar. Erythritol may cause cooling effect, may cause GI distress. Truvia. Erythritol plus stevia also has brown sugar alternative. Swerve. Erythritol plus oligosaccharides also has brown sugar alternatives. Artificial sweeteners that have no effect on blood sugar. Sucralose found in Splenda. Aspartame found in Equal and NutraSweet. Saccharin found in Sweet and Low. Report this ad. In a well-formulated keto diet, you would try to minimize the use of natural sugars, sugar alcohols and artificial sweeteners. Try to focus on eating nourishing whole foods. Keto sweeteners FAQs. Is polyglycitol keto? No, it causes a glucose and insulin response. Is Splenda keto? Splenda is a combination of sucralose, dextrose and maltodextrin. Since Splenda is made up of two different sugars, it is not ideal for a keto diet. Is sucralose keto-friendly? Sucralose does not seem to have an impact on glucose, but there are better sugar alternatives for a keto diet. Is coconut sugar keto-friendly? No, coconut sugar causes a glucose and insulin response. Can you have maple syrup on a keto diet? Maple syrup causes a glucose and insulin response, so it is not ideal for a ketogenic diet. Do artificial sweeteners affect ketosis? Not all artificial sweeteners affect blood sugar and insulin levels. Please refer to above to determine which artificial sweeteners are okay on a keto diet. Is allulose keto? Yes, allulose does not seem to have an effect on glucose or insulin levels. Can you have honey on a keto diet? Honey causes a rise in glucose and insulin levels, so it is not ideal for a keto diet. What are keto-approved sweeteners? Keto sweeteners that do not cause a rise in glucose or insulin levels are allulose, erythritol, stevia, and monk fruit. Is stevia good for keto? Liquid stevia extract does not cause a spike in glucose, so it is very popular on a keto diet. Should I use sugar substitutes? Sugar substitutes are a great way to help you transition to a keto diet. It allows you to make many awesome recipes to replace the ones you used to love, like our keto chocolate chip cookies. Sugar substitutes also come in handy around the holidays when you want to make something sweet to put out for Santa come Christmas time. Grab our holiday baking, Christmas cookies and more recipe ebook and try some of the recipes for yourself. I loved getting IG messages from people who bought our book saying how much they loved them. One person said they already made the almond kisses 4 times and it wasn't even 2 weeks past Christmas. If you found this post and you're ready to start a keto diet, check out our 5-day budget keto meal plan. You'll get 5 days worth of recipes and eat for under $5 per day. If you need a little more hand-holding and want something longer term, you may be interested in our 4-week keto meal prep course. It comes with 4 weeks of keto meal plans, 1200, 1500 and 1800 calorie levels, weekly keto grocery lists, 40 keto recipe ebook, how to meal prep ebook, videos and more. Or if you've been doing keto for a while and just need a little help meal planning, we've got you covered. Get 1 week of keto meal plans for free. Or if you don't have enough time to cook, we've partnered with Diet to Go to give you $40 off 1 week of keto meals. They're super convenient to have on hand. Store them in your fridge if you plan to have them that week, or keep them in the freezer for those just in case times. If you loved this post or any of our recipes, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. You can also tag #TheKetoQueens on social media. To stay up to date, follow us on Instagram at TheKetoQueens, Twitter, and Facebook.